everyone, it's me, Kirk Mastin from Mastin Labs, and today I wanted to talk about how Mastin Labs started. So why did I make Mastin Labs? Well, it started with me wanting to make my film look like my digital back in 2011, and there wasn't anything on the market that really matched the way I shot film. There were presets out there, but they were really over the top, super heavy-handed. Think back on like the very first Instagram filters, like toaster oven or early bird or whatever they were called. They were really over the top and they did not match the clean aesthetic of real film that I would shoot and scan on a Fuji Frontier. So what did I do? I created my own, because part of it was saving money on shooting film. I could make my own presets that match film, so I could shoot digital and film at weddings and deliver a cohesive product for my clients. And later, this turned into a mission to bring the beauty of film to digital shooters in the hope that those people would fall in love with film, start shooting film, and together we could save film from going extinct. Because back in 2011, 2012, it really did look like the end of film because people were losing interest in it and focusing completely on digital, and I wanted to reverse that trend.